Hi friends, Kumud here. Today I'll talk about this fertilizer NPK. N stands for nitrogen and this P stands for phosphate and K stands for potash. So these are three macro nutrients every plant needs. So this is a must for all the plants, but I have been using this NPK for my indoor plants only because this is this is chemical fertilizer. I don't like to use this fertilizer for my edible plants, but for indoor plants this works fantastic. So this is 20-20-20. It means that 20% potency of nitrogen, and similarly with phosphate and potash. So this packet is of 1 kg and 1 kg, if it is like 100%, then we can divide it like 33% each fertilizer is there. So I'm using this for my indoor plants today since it was raining a lot. So that's it. This many people frown to see chemical fertilizers, but sometimes it is a must to put it in our plant friends, because if severe deficiency is there, then only the chemical fertilizers work. My plants are doing okay. But since it is raining and I wasn't able to get the organic fertilizer from outside, so I used this, and this is easy to use. This is in powder form, and a pot of about 8 inch needs half a spoon only.
So you see friends, it rained a lot today, and everywhere I can see water flooding, you can see that pot and you can see my veranda, how flooded it is. It is fun to do all these childish things, but then I am a gardener. I love my plants and I have to look after them. I wanted to go out with umbrella in one hand and the camera in another, then but how could I work then? So I decided that I will work I'll do my work inside the house. I keep a lot of indoor plants inside, so I thought of looking after those plants. Like this, they are near the window. One is this lipstick plant, Aglaonema lipstick, and other is Boston ferns. So these two are here, and since it was raining outside, so I couldn't go out. So I picked up the packet which was inside the room only. I picked up the packet of NPK 20-20-20. So this is Aglaonema lipstick. It's still doing very well, but monthly fertilizers I always give. So I thought of giving monthly fertilizers now on the rainy day. So you must be wondering why I'm doing this with a brush, but nothing was close by. So I just make anything my tool, So this becomes my tool, tilling tool. So this is the packet of NPK 20-20-20, and I'm going to put this fertilizer in the pots. This fertilizer is good as it has all the macronutrients, you see, right amount of potassium, this phosphate and nitrogen, everything is there. Not the micronutrients but macronutrients only. These are 3 essential nutrients each plant needs, as I told you initially, So what I am going to do is just put half a spoon in all the plants and water them, since it is water soluble fertilizer. So here I am doing it. So some dead leaves also take place as the time passes, some old leaves become dead, so we have to remove those also. So similarly I did with the Boston ferns also. And if you remember, this plant I brought from Switzerland from my daughter's house, just got some cuttings and I just planted them here. So I'm just tending it, taking care of it, and I'm not going to put any fertilizer in this because the roots have still not taken place. Some roots have taken, but some are just lying like that only. So इसको सही जगह पे लगा देते हैं. So just little bit only, a little bit of care only it needs, and then water. And you see this bottle, I have made holes in this. With that soldering iron, I have made holes in this, and it's easy to water with that then. And these 3 plants are also lying in the corner, so I'll just check them, what all they need. This is again Aglaonema, this is Silver Bay Aglaonema, and the new shoot has also developed. I just noticed it. It's such a pleasure to see the new shoots. So I'll just till it. The soil is still moist, but then since I am taking care of all the plants, so just to remember it, that I have done it. Monthly fertilizing I have done, so I'm doing it for all the plants. Now I'll be doing next month only. So just little bit of tilling, removing the dead leaves, and putting the fertilizer, and then pouring little water. So that is the thing I'm going to do with all the plants. So this NPK fertilizer, friends, this is a chemical fertilizer, and although in the packet they have written and they have shown the pictures of all the vegetables and fruits also, sugarcane and mangoes and everything they have shown on the this polythene, the packet the fertilizer is carrying. But then I don't like to use chemical fertilizers in my edible plants because chemicals ruin the soil. They provide nutrition to the plant, but they ruin the soil. And our soil is our treasure. If there is no soil, there won't be any crop. What is happening these days with the farmers? They have ruined their soil already. So many farmers, not all, so many. So, very rarely we should use this NPK 2020. So we'll meet in the next video then, friends.